Okay, go.
We make it purple jelly for me, and we put this in and some water and some purple and that.
That's right. So that was it. Cade, and Cade's saying that he has the little sniffles, don't ya?
Yeah.
Got some little boogers. So we're making some purple Gatorade, and so he calls it Gatorator, but it's really our Shaklee Performance. So we're using the Shaklee Performance at first. So Cade, show us how you put that into your water. Pour that into your water from your Shaklee water pitcher. Okay. Now that's orange flavored, huh? But to make it purple, we crushed up 2 of these. Where's my little camera thing on here?
Yeah.
Haven't figured this out yet. Here we go. Our Defend and Resist complex, which we always have on hand, and it has echinacea, black elderberry, large tree, and ginkgo. So we crushed that up. So show them what it looks like. What we crushed up.
And we're making some this too.
Yep. So then we just add 2 of our crushed Defend and Resist in. Good. Okay. Now where's the lid? Because he was noticing that his cousin got a blue Gatorade from soccer practice.
Yeah.
But the blue Gatorade, what do you think about the blue Gatorade, Cade?
Maybe we know.
It kind of gave you a runny nose. You didn't like how it made you feel. Did it make you, here, now shake it up really good. Did it make you hyper? It made you a little extra excited. Shake it up real good. Ooh. How does it look?
Nothing.
Really shake it. Okay, I think it's ready to drink. Let's take the lid off.
We're going to put this in.
Yeah, that's what Mommy had in there. Okay, mister.
Good.
Tell me how it is.
Good.
You haven't tried it yet. How's your purple Gatorator?
Good.
Your Shaklee Gatorator, that's what we'll call it. So these 2 things we always have on hand. Saves us lots of trips to the doctor.
Yeah.
How is it?
Good. I have put this in.
Yes, we already put 2 of those in. Okay, say thanks everyone for watching. Say more recipes. What's our website?
Recipe. Now we have to add one.
We'll make some more. Okay, more recipes on devlinhealth.com.
That's the con.
Say see you later.
See you later.
New wave?